In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Portfolios, full tutorial with AI features, 5 minutes. First, sign in to Asana and make sure you're in the correct workspace with access to the projects you want to manage. In the left sidebar, open the Portfolio section. This is your command center for tracking multiple projects at once. Create a new portfolio and give it a clear, meaningful name, something like Q1 Marketing Initiatives or Product Launch 2026. Strong names make it easier for teammates and stakeholders to quickly understand what's inside. Open your new portfolio and click Add Work. Here you can pull in existing projects, spin up new ones, or even nest other portfolios if you need to monitor complex, multi-stream initiatives. This flexibility is perfect for program or department level oversight. Once projects are added, you'll immediately see color-coded status indicators like on track, at risk, off track, or on hold. These give you a quick health check without diving into every project. You'll also see progress at a glance based on completed tasks or milestones. If your teams use milestones for major checkpoints, those percentages become especially meaningful for reporting. Next, tailor your portfolio with custom fields. Use the Customize menu to add metrics such as budget, priority, stage, or effort. Standardizing these fields helps you compare projects apples to apples and surface risks early. Use filters and sorting to focus on what matters most. Filter by status, project owner, or any custom field. Then save your layout as the default view so your team sees the same organized perspective every time they open the portfolio. For scheduling and dependencies, switch to timeline to visualize how projects line up over time. For high-level reporting, the dashboard view turns your data into charts that highlight progress, blockers, and trends without manual spreadsheets. Workload gives you visibility into team capacity across all projects in the portfolio. Balance assignments and adjust timelines to prevent burnout. If you track effort in custom fields, workload becomes even more accurate. Keep everyone aligned by sharing insights directly from the portfolio. Post status updates, highlight decisions, and share the portfolio with stakeholders who need visibility. Keeping updates in one place reduces ad hoc check-ins. Finally, leverage Asana's AI. Activate AI features in your admin settings, then look for the Stardust icon or use the Tab plus J shortcut. You can instantly generate summaries of portfolio updates and key changes, helping you prepare reports and stand-ups in seconds. That's how to set up, monitor, and communicate effectively with Asana portfolios, including powerful AI boosts.